Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show where I'm going to be sharing 5 niches to help you increase your print-on-demand sales in the near future. First, let's look at the organic top 10 bestsellers on Amazon merch. Now, I had to pre-record this video by a little bit, so I'm guessing not much has changed in that the overarching highest demand best-selling niches are still July 4th with the 250th anniversary being the one thing that the best-selling July 4th shirts have in common, and then Father's Day. Father's Day shirts including Awesome Like My Daughter, Awesome Like My Daughters here behind me. There's an S on the at the end of the one behind me there. Dad tax, making sure it's not poison, or just a dad who always came back with the milk. So there's your top 10. Let's move on now. It's a forward-looking episode. We're like 5 weeks away from August. How about niche number 1? August is National Dog Month. Let me know in the comments what kind of dog you have. I personally am a big Chihuahua lover, and you can see here just some examples of evergreen Chihuahua shirts. Of course, the overall number 1 pick right now is related to July 4th, as you'd expect. But in terms of just evergreen dog-related shirts, you can get away with pretty much anything. And in August, you expect to see an uptick for National Dog Month. By the way, when you see like a number 1 bestseller that's a American flag with the silhouette of a Chihuahua, you can literally copy paste that into AI and say, make the golden retriever version of this, make the pug version of this. That's literally what I did to generate the shirts that you see behind me. So no excuses. It can be done pretty simply, guys. Whether you like to do it yourself. When it comes to silhouettes too, by the way, like there's a lot of different ways to do that. You don't actually need to even use AI. You could go to like publicdomainvectors.com, grab a silhouette of a golden retriever and just slap it on the American flag, right? And that's very easy, quick and easy to do. So niche number 1, National Dog Month in August. Moving on to niche number 2. How about August is also Black Business Month? So here are a couple of the top t-shirts in that niche. Minding My Black Owned Business is the first one there. Black Wall Street. Black Wall Street again, minding my black owned business again, Black Excellence, never forget Black Wall Street, and Black Wall Street. So Black Wall Street seems to be the prevailing number 1 best-selling design in this niche. And honestly, we're not getting the best search results right now because, well, we're searching outside of August when it's not really trending nearly as much as it will be. But it is worth knowing so you can get out ahead of it. Black Business Month in August. All right, moving on, niche number 3. Back to school. It's crazy to be thinking about back to school if you're a student or a teacher. Otherwise, it might not be that crazy. You probably have already been prepping for back to school because it's a huge print-on-demand holiday. But we're talking about back to school already. I checked, and my alma mater, which I don't live too far away from. Like I used to work there after I did my undergrad, graduate, and I honestly taught web development there for like 7.5 years. Crazy, time flies. But they're back to school in August too. They're back to school in was it like the 3rd week of August, maybe the 4th, and I think they usually start later than a lot of schools. So that's college. I think the normal schools probably start a little bit after that, maybe early September. Either way, this is a massive, massive, massive opportunity for print-on-demand sellers. You guys probably already know that. What's cool is it doesn't get diminished year over year because the people who bought their 3rd grade shirt last year are going to be looking for a 4th grade shirt. The 4th graders are going to be looking for a 5th grade shirt, and they might even be sizing up. You know what I mean? So make sure, I would say, that if you sell in the print-on-demand back to school niche, that you at least make them available in as many sizes as possible. On Etsy, you might want to combine various different products that one might be for a, not toddler, but like one might be for youth size and then maybe even size up. Some kids, they get big early. And yeah, that's the one thing. And if you're on Amazon merch, obviously don't forget to check the youth checkbox when you're publishing those listings. Moving on, niche number 4, fantasy football. All right, fantasy football, big love of mine personally. It is at peak interest, peak demand, peak sales for all that we care about as print-on-demand sellers, whether you like it or not, in August, because that's when they get to the preseason. That's when the friends get together for their drafts. Fantasy football should be on the radar because it is one of the bigger trends for that 1 to 2 week period where it's at peak demand. And that definitely happens in August every single year ahead of the NFL season. And it's okay to sell fantasy football just don't infringe on the NFL. You know what I mean? Don't sell the Lombardi Trophy. Don't do the NFL logo, the shield. Don't do anything related to the teams or the players, obviously. Stuff like this. Me doing fantasy football, and it's some complex math equation. Fantasy football schedule. Monday, Monday Night Football. Tuesday, put in waiver claims. Wednesday, research. Thursday, Thursday Night Football. Friday, doesn't really matter. Saturday, say a prayer before bed. Sunday, the holy day. Anyways, I don't have to read all of them. You guys get it. There's some funny ones. Oh, here's 5 more. Oh, looks like we're doing more. Respect the commish. I suck at fantasy football for the losers, etc. My lucky fantasy football shirt. All right, moving on. Niche number 5. We're getting out ahead of these trends that are coming in August. Peak demand is in August. Sales start to pick up late July, and we're talking about it. We're getting those products uploaded in June. Niche number 5, International Clown Week. Some people just love clowns. I'm not one of them. I don't dislike clowns either. But those that do love clowns, they love their International Clown Week every year, the first week of August, August 1st through 7th. If there's any significance to those numbers, 1, 7, and clowning, let me know. Otherwise, I mean, it looks like it's consistent every year, August 1st through 7th. Hey, clown-themed t-shirts, whether it's a t-shirt meant to be like a clown costume, as you can see, some of them are behind me, or just a t-shirt that says, I'm with the clown, or just a t-shirt with a clown on it that can be, dressed like, I'm going to sound stupid, a clown wearing clown clothes with clown face paint, whatever that means to you. Colorful clothes, the big shoes, the red nose, and they're juggling. So big, colorful, clown-themed shirts. Going to do well in that first week of August. By the way, if you guys saw top 5 niches of the week last week, what was niche number 5? Do you remember? Niche number 5 was, I said, if you can, check out Merch Dominator, the research tool that I use for Amazon merch to prep these videos also. Go to the bestsellers section and then sort by newest. When you do that, it literally goes and finds you newly submitted product listings that have sold. When you start seeing overlapping designs and niches, it's a strong signal that could be an emerging trend. And if you're early to there, you may be able to really capture a big piece of that pie as it grows for yourself. Guys, June, July, August are the best 3 months of the year, in my opinion, to be doing that, because there is a little bit of a lull in terms of predictable niches, predictable demand. If you're going and chasing those new evergreens, definitely do that. Niche number 5 last week was me talking about evergreen text-based designs, and specifically, if you can, use Merch Dominator, which I link below this video, to go and have those potential emerging trends served up to you on a platter, because it goes and does the research all day, every day, plus while you're sleeping. You just have to log in and check. So I wanted to mention that, guys, because that's going to help you in the near term. If you want to wake up, upload a design in the morning, and make a sale that night, that's the best way to do it. Moving on, emerging trends. These are all outperforming with their current BSR, which indicates how well it's selling on Amazon relative to other t-shirts. It's BSR or bestseller rank. These all have their current BSR higher than their 90-day average. So it could be indicative of an emerging trend. And what do you know? A lot of July 4th stuff, pretty much what you would expect. Looking ahead, these are smaller niches at least 1 month out. July 17th, World Pig Day. July 18th, National Caviar Day. July 19th, National Ice Cream Day. July 20th, Moon Day. July 21st, National Junk Food Day. So there's 5 niches coming about a month out in July. Now let's look back at the archive. These were trending 11 months ago. Could be indicative of coming trends 1 month from today. A lot of the cat theme shirts, for whatever reason. Is there a big cat holiday in the middle of July that I missed? Let me know, because I do see a bunch of them in a row, like right here. But I don't think you need a holiday for people to love their cat t-shirts. We know that they do pretty much year round. One of the best evergreens that there are. All right, removed designs. These, again, I pre-recorded this, so I don't know what was removed in the last 24 hours, but I can bet you probably more of the same. Probably, NBA Finals was a week ago. The New York Knicks one, probably some New York Knicks themed designs getting removed and people getting banned. And then probably also a lot of World Cup themed designs also still being uploaded and still being, the sellers are being banned. Guys, thanks for watching till the end. My full print-on-demand course is linked below. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you soon with a new video.